Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, sometimes I just feel like Umusa likes shooting himself in the foot because tell me guys, why on yesterday's episode did he feel the need to mention Uguti he paid or they're going to pay, or let's say he paid, because now this is in the past tense, he paid over 50 cows for Usamke. Njani Puti, why would you even mention that, guys? Knowing number one, ukuthi there's Umayeni who's been crying ukuthi indlu yakhe is not yet done. Yet you coming here on the diary sessions busy. I don't know if he was boasting or what was the need for him to say that, because I'm just like, obviously these wives are gonna find a big problem with that. Not only that, guys, did I not hear Umaxele saying ukuthi sekayitholile site, meaning that she wants to build. And some people like, ayibo umaqala akasebenzi uzoyakha ngani leyo ndlu on that side. Obviously, if akasebenzi, that money needs to be coming from ulokuzana umthombeni. I'm just like, sir, what do you mean? Just now we were talking about medical aid expenses. Fine, guys, the fact that it doesn't have medical aid, they did clarify it. They cancelled the medical aid not because they could not afford a monthly medical aid. They cancelled it because they just felt like there was no need for it. But I'm just saying, Uguti, there was funds that the wives needed to gather from each other for your medical bill. So I don't know ukuthi bayisebenza kanjani, but I just thought ukuthi maybe as the Mselebu family, there's like an account where like maybe the Uthando Nestembu money comes in, like that account that at least one or two of the wives should have access to, and that money should be for everyone. So I don't get to why do the wives have to collect money and not take from that account. That's if an account like that exists. But I'm just like, 50 cows, guys. 50 cows, that's abunengane zungaki. Ay, well, guys, yogege umseleko. I'm just like, I just feel he shot himself in the foot, because even next season, guys, you know what's the thing? It's like uyisizela kanjani indoda next time when you are telling him about something and then he says he doesn't have money, whereas you could afford to take out 50 cows for Usamke behind their backs, you guys. Someone else was also saying on the X3 tukutaibo, lezas zindlu zasemzumbe, they need renovation. Always too, those Mercedes Benz that he bought for them, they need an upgrade. And I'm like, listen guys, they do have a point in saying that, but I just kind of feel, guys, ukuthi sometimes, I mean, Umtombeni works hard for his money, so I don't think ukuthi it's okay that every cent that he has must go to all of the wives. He must have some portion of that money for himself, to treat himself, to enjoy. He must enjoy his hard work, because I'm sure even the wives, the money that they're making, they don't give all of that money to Umusa. So I don't think it's fair to push Umusa into a corner and say, Wuti, like he has to do all of these things. Yes, he has a responsibility as a man, but there should be a portion of that money he gets to enjoy for himself, you guys. But now here's the thing. And you know, when I heard this and I was thinking of this, guys, I'm just like, maybe this is why Utobile is so mad. Now, guys, I have this thing. I've been saying, Wuti, I don't believe Utobile when she's saying, or when she has been saying, Wuti, she doesn't know Usamke and she didn't know about Usamke. I don't believe it, guys. Because when you are from Indaweni, guys, and we are Ziwa, people come to you nendaba. So I feel like there's no way Usamke successfully had her lobola negotiations in December of 2023, and none of those ndabas came to Utobile, whereas Utobile is probably udumile windawo yakhe, guys. So there's like, that's why I'm saying, I feel like Utopina probably ever knew about Amalobolo. And the thing that's making her much more angry now is that Umusa is making them fool. She knows the ins and outs, because I mean, Usamke is from the same village as her. People probably told Utobile. So now imagine Sozwangabantu and people come in and they say, Utaibo Pela indoda yakho iyolobola or inobolile, and amahem ati 50 cows plus. Imagine how painful that is, guys, because Utobina, she works for the Mselegu family. Besides the money that she makes on her own and stuff like that, she works for the Mselegu family, and it seems like it's no secret that she does pitch in her money there and there. So imagine pitching in your money there and there to help a man that you love, namakhosikazi akhe, and then he goes and marries someone for 50 cows. Where does he get the audacity? Guys, ngeke. But I'm just like, listen. That's why usanke esho kangako ukuthi uzongena, because amanabola are already out, you guys. Ugeli get 50 cows. In this day and age, okay, maybe I don't know, guys, maybe 50 cows, but I know 50 cows are a lot. And when you are coming from certain places in South Africa, the more the lobola is, the more you are deemed special in a way. Do you understand what I'm saying? Hey, guys, let's park it right there. We will see lento yakhe of mentioning 50 cows, how he's going to play out for him. But I just have a feeling he shot himself in the foot. There's no way he's going to escape saying ukuthi adanamali, because yena himself he said even if it means you are not going to have food, that's fine. Hey, but guys, anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.